Hey y'all, this is Mrs. O'Connor Vince with another You.DJ tutorial. So I can select all these different effects here, and I'm going to show you quickly kind of how we go about doing that. Vibrato, this is actually a music term. We know this in music as being the kind of stretch of pitch in between two notes. Usually it gets tighter as a vocalist, especially kind of go throughout the note. So this is You.DJ's version of vibrato. Moving on. I know it's time's hard to talk, but I don't know. Moving on. So you can hear that it wobbles almost. Vibrato, we know, as an instrumentalist or a vocalist, is usually a very polished technique to have, but this actually sounds a little bit more glitchy.